Fellas, ever wonder what really pulls women in beneath the surface? It's not just looks, money, or smooth lines. It's understanding her subtle vulnerabilities, the emotional wiring that even she doesn't always talk about. In this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 female weaknesses every smart man needs to recognize, not to manipulate, but to lead with strength, clarity, and emotional intelligence. Master these, and you don't just get her attention, you earn her respect. 1. Overthinking. One of the most underestimated female weaknesses that every man must understand is overthinking, and not in a superficial way. Women often don't just hear your words, they dissect them. They read into your tone, analyze your silence, replay past conversations, and build entire emotional narratives around things you didn't even realize you did. This isn't manipulation. It's emotional processing. But left unchecked, it can spiral into unnecessary drama, miscommunication, and tension. As a man, your job isn't to match that emotional chaos. It's to neutralize it with clarity, consistency, and calm confidence. Don't get pulled into circular arguments or feel pressured to explain every move. Lead with steadiness. Be direct without being defensive. Be firm without being cold. A woman deeply respects a man who doesn't react to every emotional wave she throws his way, but instead stays grounded and unshaken. That stability makes her feel safe. It calms the overthinking. And more importantly, it positions you as the anchor in the emotional storm, something most men fail to be. 2. She's attracted to power, not just looks. Here's a truth most men overlook. Women are far more attracted to power than just physical looks. And by power, I don't mean money or control. I mean internal dominance, unshakable confidence, a man who sets boundaries and stands on his values. Abs fade, hairlines recede, but power? That's eternal. A woman might admire a man's body, but she feels drawn to his presence, his ability to say no, to walk away, to move with purpose without needing anyone's approval. That kind of energy makes her feel both challenged and safe. It's not about being loud or arrogant. It's about knowing who you are, where you're going, and not letting anyone knock you off course. So stop chasing women. Stop trying to impress. Focus on building you, your mindset, your mission, your self-respect. Because at the end of the day, a man with power leads the room, even if he never says a word. And that will always outshine the guy with a perfect body but no backbone. 3. Her deep fear of being replaced, and it keeps her invested. One of a woman's deepest, unspoken fears isn't losing you. It's being replaced by someone better, not just left, but upgraded. And she knows exactly what that looks like. A man with options, confidence, and value that other women can clearly see. That kind of man is dangerous, not because he's disloyal, but because he doesn't need her, and that shifts the power dynamic. When she knows you're a man other women would kill to have, yet you choose her, without begging, without chasing, it triggers both respect and desire. So what should you do? Keep growing. Keep building your value, your looks, your lifestyle, your ambition, not to make her jealous, but to remind her that she's not your only option, that you are the prize. When she feels that you could walk away at any time and land on your feet, stronger, sharper, upgraded, it keeps her engaged, focused, and on her toes, not out of fear, but out of respect for the man you've become. 4. Emotional chaos. One of the top weaknesses and most misunderstood traits in many women is what I call emotional chaos. This doesn't mean she's unstable or irrational. It means she feels deeply, processes life emotionally first, and sometimes it comes out as mood swings, overreactions, or unexpected drama. But here's the trap most men fall into. They try to argue with emotion using logic, or worse, they match her emotional storm with one of their own. That never works. What she really wants, even if she doesn't say it, is a man who can hold steady when her emotions get loud, not cold, not dismissive, just grounded. Because when a woman is emotionally overflowing, what she craves is containment, a calm presence that doesn't flinch, collapse, or run. So when she's spinning, don't chase her chaos, be her anchor. The man who can stay composed, centered, and present without needing to fix her or fight her becomes someone she respects and feels safe with. In her eyes, that's not weakness, that's power. 5. Validation addiction. In today's world of filters, followers, and fast dopamine, Many women unconsciously develop a craving for external approval, especially from men they see as high value. Every like, comment, and compliment becomes a hit, and soon she's chasing that next emotional high without even realizing it. But here's where most men go wrong. They flood her with attention, thinking constant praise will win her over. It won't. In fact, it often does the opposite. It lowers your perceived value and makes you seem too eager, too available. What really captures her interest is selective validation. When a man doesn't hand out compliments like candy, when he makes her earn his attention, when he sees her but isn't swayed by her. That's magnetic. That's rare. She starts to value your approval because it's not easily given. The key isn't being cold or dismissive. It's having standards. When your validation is grounded in authenticity and not desperation, she feels it. And suddenly, you're not just another guy hyping her up. You're the one she wants to impress. Conclusion. At the end of the day, the man she stays with isn't the flashiest or the most charming. It's the one who understands her beneath the noise. So if this video gave you a new lens into female behavior or confirmed what experience has already taught you, drop a comment and let me know which one hit home. Like this video, share it with a man who's ready to level up. Subscribe for more content that cuts deeper than cliches. Stay sharp, stay grounded, and remember, calm power always wins. See you in the next one.